is something interesting happening in KwaZulu-Natal right now, and it is that the NFP has defected and went to the opposition side. So the number of seats initially between the coalition government and the opposition, they stood at 41 for the coalition government versus 39 for the opposition. Then the NFP defected and went to MK. So the updated table now stands with the coalition government at 40 seats and the opposition at 40 seats. So the question that people are asking, is when there is such a stalemate in votes, who becomes the mayor? Like, how is the mayor then selected? So the answer, is that when there is a stalemate like this, the speaker is the one who then casts the vote, to break the tie. So he is the one who breaks the tie, if there is an equal number of votes. So as you can see here, the speaker is entitled to cast an additional deciding vote. So this casting vote breaks the deadlock and determines the winner of the mayoral election. Amazing, completely unbelievable there. Now, with that information at hand, the next question is who selects the speaker? Because this person is very, very valuable at the moment. Like, we want to know that person, who is going to select this guy who is holding all the cards right now. And it turns out this speaker is actually selected by a presiding officer, this is like a judge, who is presiding over the election of the speaker to ensure that the process is fair and impartial. So this is the guy who is like presiding over the elections, as these councillors will be voting. But the role of the presiding judge, is simply to ensure that the constitutional procedure is followed, so as to run this secret ballot, is these guys will be casting their votes to select the mayor or the speaker himself. Not much of a big deal. But then who selects this presiding judge? So this presiding judge now is picked by the president, is designated by the president of the constitutional court. So you can see that this thing is heading towards the ANC as it is going. So there is no way, as things stand, for MK to sneak in and get that premier position. So they will have to wait and make sure that they get the 41 seats by themselves in the next elections. I'll catch you guys on the next one.